Hey Saber fans, Tony from 89Sabers, and another install review for you. If you're new to the channel, I do install these, update them, and review them on the channel, so please like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. So here we have a MPP from Korbanth, distributed by 89Sabers. It's a very, very good lightsaber, very nice to install. This is configured to be Empire Strikes Back version, so the long grips, and then the correct wiring and stuff with the bubble strip. Now, the install for this is very, very simple. You've got a normal Neopixel connector in there. You've got your power and your aux underneath this whole section here. You've got a, this is running proffie 5.7. You've got your recharge port 2.1. You've got your proffie board, your USB access, your SD card, and your 28mm speaker, which is kind of hidden inside the chassis. This Saber chassis came from the Saber Armory, the print it yourself files. And of course, this has FET263's buttons and stuff. It's running about 13 fonts, so without further ado, let's show off the fonts. Alright, Saber fans, so we're going to go into the fonts. Again, FET263's buttons, so their silver is going to be your main, and your bottom one's going to be your aux. And so your first font, this is Father by Korbanth. Has the Imperial March on it, and here's your blade style. Nice wide swing. Accents. Your blasters, tap aux once. You can turn off the music too by holding for 2 seconds, the main one, and let it go while the saber is pointed upwards. Your quotes and stuff, you have to point the saber sideways, not straight up.
You don't know the power of the dark side.
And just hold for 2 seconds. Lightning block, you hold power, tap aux. For color changing, you hold aux, tap power, and you can change it to whatever color. So let's just change it back to a red, something close to it. Just tap power to lock it back in, and you're back to gold. So, to go in the multi-blast mode, you hold aux for 2 seconds, let go. You hear a false blast, and you can switch to swing it. And you can just get the blasters. To get out of it, you tap once more, and you're out of it. For lockup, you hold any button and flash. It's responsive, so it'll climb or crawl along the blade, depending on your blade angle. Next up.
If you will not turn to the dark side, then perhaps she will.
This is Korbanth's The Return, so rest your normal ignition. This has the Bard scene on it. Also has gesture features, so it has swing on and twist off. Long scene. Anyway, next up.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
You have a passive battery monitor on this one. I think it was just a blade style thing, but this has the Force theme on it. Your standard blue blade. Quotes.
I'm getting too old for this sort of thing. You've taken your first step into a larger world.
Next up.
It is obvious that this contest cannot be decided by our knowledge of the Force.
Count's Claw by Korbanth.
I'm looking at another dead Jedi. You're about to experience true swordsmanship.
Track for this is Yoda versus Vader. Yoda versus Count Dooku. So, yeah. Next up.
Hello, Master. It's been a while.
This is Commander Tano by Korbanth. Track for this is Race to the Surface. Force effects. Next up.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. But you are not a Jedi yet.
This is an ESB Graflex. Nice medium blue on there. Nice quotes.
Don't make me destroy you. Now, release your anger. Only your hatred can destroy me.
The track for it is Luke versus Vader, or I guess The Duel by John Williams. But next up,
Ahsoka Tano! Bo-Katan sent me.
this is The Sorcerer by Kyberphonic. This is Ahsoka's fonts during The Mandalorian. You see the blade style a bit better? I'll show it against the wall here. Yeah. The track for this is the Mandalorian theme. I'm wrong. This is Tano. This is part of the soundtrack. Yeah. Very nice. Next up,
This party's over.
this is Mace from Heroes Pack, from Kyberphonic. Dark, deep purple.
A Sith Lord. May the Force be with us all.
I'm going to end this once and for all.
The track for this is just the arena from episode 2 that I custom made. Next up,
Traitor!
Kylo Ren. This is Unstable V2 by Kyberphonic. Oh, sorry, V1. Track for this is Kylo's theme. See the blade style a bit better? I'll show you against the wall here. A lot of fun. Next up,
You ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
this is The Tragedy by Kyberphonic. Nice, unstable type of build-up. Next up.
You can never escape me.
So this is Starkiller, or The Secret Apprentice by Kyberphonic. I have two versions on here, the dark and the light. The first up is the dark. Kind of has a color swing, so it's kind of a lighter red, kind of symbolizing the video game.
A Jedi's hand is at work.
Now I will destroy you.
Oh, the track for this is the Force Unleashed theme. Next up,
I let you live.
this is the TF U2, so the Force Unleashed 2 version, the light side. So no blasters, never force effects, or lightning. Same track. Next up,
The Dark Saber. It belongs to you.
this is Dark V3 by Kyberphonic. Show you a better blade style demo. I'm showing against the wall here. This is Fet 263's Dark Sword style. Yeah. The track for this is the Mandalorian theme. Yeah. Next up,
Prepare a boarding.
you got your passive battery monitor, and of course, the Rainbow Blade. That concludes the fonts. So that concludes the fonts. I hope the customer enjoys it. I hope you enjoyed this review. And of course, have a wonderful day, and may the Force be with you.